Thutha wa komishoni ya kuhuranira ihoto cia umundu ya thirikari kuneana maritwa ma andu 1,101 aria manahutio ni ngaya cia mirurungano kuma mwaka wa 2017 kuri President Ruto na gwathwo marihwo kuhuthira ciringi bilioni 2 iria cigitwo keheri. Gikundi gia gutetera aria manahutio riu marenda maritwa ma andu aya 1,000 macabithio kuri muingi niguo kumenyeke ni aya mararihwo guku magiteta na kuga namba ino ni nini ukiringithania na Kenya aria manahutio ni mirurungano kuona kuringana na ithabu riao marauga namba ino ni makiria ma andu 4,000.
Hatutakaa chini waende wafidie watu wao, ndio sababu hawajachapisha sajili rasmi ili Wakenya wajue nani kweli alipigwa risasi, nani kweli aliuawa, na nani kweli alitekwa nyara.
We don't want to have situations where someone who is not a victim of anything getting 2 million for nothing.
Igoro waguo ni marenda kumenya njira ira irahuthikire niguo Kenya ya 1,000 merikane no tu makurihwo na igoro wa marihi ni makinya mariku mekuerwo aria matabanirie ngero ici.
We must see accountability and justice, and that should begin with the director and where the directives have come from. So all of the chain of command that has been a part of committing these atrocities and should immediately be held accountable.
This compensation is not an acceptance of the state excesses.
Oho Kenya aya marenda President Ruto ahoe urekeri kuri bururi wothe na wona arikia ete aria mahutirio ni mirurungano thingiraini wa iregi na wa mahoe urekeri.
Apology can erase the bloodshed, trauma and pain inflicted upon families whose only crime was exercising their constitutional right to peaceful protest. That vague apology is not accepted.
Well, you have apologized to the state openly. Please call us the victims to apologize to us.
For 2 years tumekuwa tukisafa sana kitafuta watoto wetu kama sisi hatujaipata mpendo wetu mpaka wa leo.
Mwerekera-ini wa kiririkano kia Gen Z aria mateire mioyo yao tariki 15 mweri wa gatandatũ mwaka wa 2024 andu ethia aya maugite ni makarurungana Jumapili ino na gacumbiri ka mirurungano ino ni tariki 25 mweri uyu turi.
Vigils and demonstration shall be held every Sunday proceeding June 25th across the country.
Igoro waguo Kenya aya marenda maritwa maya mongererwo niguo makuruhanie Kenya othe aria manahutio kwa muhiano ari mirurungano-ini ya maguta na ya kuregana waki wa ceceni ya Ebola na nyukie no wabata makiria makienda borithi matige kuhuthira hinya mukiriku hindi ya mirurungano. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, Gĩtaũ Gĩtonga wa Wambũi.